Have you ever wished your Predator 3500 had more juice? Harbor Freight's 50 amp parallel kit gives you exactly that. You can double the power, it's plug and play. So buckle up guys, because today I'm going to walk you through everything, what's in the box, how to set it up, and exactly what you can expect when it's up and running. Just be advised that it's not recommended to run different size generators using this kit. They must be matching generators to have equal output. That way you do not fry any components on either unit. This kit includes heavy-duty parallel cables, a built-in 50 amp RV outlet, the NEMA 14-50R, and also the NEMA L5-30R twist lock. Both are designed for 120 volts. There's no guesswork, everything's pre-wired. If you've got two Predator 3500s, this is how you can unlock their full potential. Here's exactly what comes inside the box. Nice nifty little instruction sheet. Watch out for paper cuts. The parallel kit itself is wrapped in beautiful saran wrap. Has color-coded 4mm banana plugs for quick and easy connection. Overall, a quality crafted product built to withstand the test of time. It's easy to use and pretty simplified, so let's take it to the generators and get it set up. Before we can begin the final assembly, you want to first place your Predator 3500 generators close enough together that they can reach without stretching the cables, ensuring both are turned off and on a stable surface. With both generators turned off, you want to first begin by locating the grounding nut on the faceplate here of the generator. It's a 10mm nut. Remove it, then you can begin reassembling. When you go to tighten this back down, make sure not to over tighten it because it is a stud into an electrical panel directly behind this board. Now on the right hand side of the information screen here, you're going to remove the rubber grommet and then insert the 4mm banana plug. They are color coded, so it's pretty simplified, just match color for color. Now with one side complete, we're going to switch to the other side and repeat the process. With the generators linked, you now have access to a NEMA 14-50R 120V RV outlet and a NEMA L5-30R 120V twist lock outlet, ideal for powering larger appliances or even two 15,000 BTU RV air conditioners. The possibilities are almost endless. With the kit complete, you can now start both generators as you normally would. Once they're both running, the parallel kit combines their power, giving you a continuous output of up to 6,000 watts and a peak of 7,500 watts. Remember to always play it safe. Always ensure both generators are of the same type and configuration when using a parallel kit. This ensures safe and efficient operation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and drop any questions or comments down below. Thank you guys for watching.